just over there and a woman come out, so all you've got to do is get in it. No, just do it. You should have done it.
Go for it. Yeah, John, go first.
Come on, quick sticks. Quick sticks.
Oi, oi. Look at this.
Hang on.
Oh, my God. Don't know if she's well.
There we go. No, because some explorer would take that if I put too much down.
I've got no change on there. I'll take a 50.
Oh, you
Hey,
show
big
off.
spender.
Don't make too much noise because there's another entrance and they can hear you. Okay, so I've seen it. I'm going to stand out.
Oh, I swear to God. Let's have a little look at this. This would have been another little bit of path for them to come in. Look at that. That would have been bad. Right, so where we are, people. Right, a little air raid shelter. At a little air raid shelter. I ain't going to say where, but it was built in the 1940s. Yeah. Yeah, built in the 1940s. Amazing little place. Not a lot of people get to see this. It's in a place, shall we say, that's not accessible in the best way to get into. But yet again, here we are. But yeah, let's have a look at this little gem. Oi.
It's corporate.
Yeah, amazing little place. For litter, down here. They are. I mean, look, all these would have been where the benches were. And let me show you something. I've got to show you how. Obviously, I'm not giving away the entrance, but I'll give you the back door. I mean, that's for the drainage, obviously, to come down, run off all the stairs. But look at this. No, A-Ray shower. This is in this one. It's a representative of what our air raid shelter was. But down here, now imagine all the benches coming along, all the little kiddies sitting everywhere. All just sitting here, they all would have heard the sirens going off in school. And yeah, just madness, imagine that. Sitting in school doing English, doing maths, doing whatever. Next minute, yeah, you've got to run off. Crazy stuff. Absolutely mad. It's a lovely little place. Another one of the entrances. Oh, yeah. That would have taken back up to the playground, because as I say, it was underneath the school. So this is underneath the playground. So you would have had two entrances via the one we come through as well. So plenty of little passageways to get in. Ah, and this is nothing. Look. This is how you tell that we're underneath the school. Look. Look at all the crowns.
You've even got tree folding pens there.
I mean, look, loads of it. All of this is what the little kids have been chucking down from flare. Fair play to them. They see the little hole they're chucking things down. Yeah. Lovely little place. Yeah, again, you would have had all the kids sitting everywhere. It's mad. This would have been another one of the original entrances in. Mad little place. Yeah, that would just be for the drainage coming down so that it don't flood. But yeah, again, people, bloody lovely little place. I love these ones. All these little ones that are just hidden. I do. I absolutely bloody love them. Right, so like, subscribe. See you next time. Have a good day. Take care. Look after yourself.